ROIDMI X30 wireless vacuum cleaner, equipped with a new generation 120,000 run per minute brushless motor and an 8-cone cyclone dust separator to prevent filter clogging. Cleaning has never felt this powerful. The mighty Next V all-purpose roller brush. Never let tangled hair get in the way again. Easily clean your floor and carpets. Dual-purpose brush for greater convenience. With two-way sterilization and a dual filter system with 6 filtration layers, eliminate all traces of germs and dust. Thinking of mopping the floor? Simply snap on the magnetic mop attachment. The ROIDMI X30 comes with different accessories. You can even treat your pet to a quick spa. Empty the larger dust cup with a single touch. Dock the ROIDMI X30 to start charging. One charge will power the ROIDMI X30 for 70 minutes. This is the ROIDMI X30, the next generation of wireless vacuum cleaners.